Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide program icons name in taskbar on your desktop PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to hide program icons names, so very easy. First click on Start. Now click on Settings. Now click on Personalize. After click on Taskbar. Here option Combine Taskbar buttons. Check this drop box. And here option Otherwise Hide Labels. So click it. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to hide program icons name in taskbar on your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.